Tembleque de Puerto Rico. Delicious Puerto Rican dessert. And the word tembleque comes from the verb temblar, which means shake. Very easy to prepare. You don't need the oven, just the stove. About 10-12 minutes total, including prep. 3 ingredients. And remember, if I can cook it, so can you. So go nowhere. Let's create. Tembleque de Puerto Rico. What I have here is 2 cans of coconut milk. Not the less fat milk, just use real coconut milk. I also have half a cup of what I call Maizena, which is here. In essence, this is in English corn starch. I think Maizena might be the brand, but it's almidón de maíz, so corn starch. I have a cup of sugar. In my case, I'm using a sugar plant-based replacement. And you're going to need some powder, some ground cinnamon. So you're going to put the maizena, put the sugar, and you're going to batter this, and you have to make sure there are no chunks or lumps. No chunks or lumps, because then it's not going to work right. So you're going to do this for a few. See how beautiful? No lumps, no chunks. In a pot, you have your stove at medium heat. You're going to transfer things carefully. Carefully. And you're not going to stop with the stir of this baby. You're going to do this at medium heat for about maybe 5-7 minutes. Immediately, you're going to start transferring this to containers. And once you transfer them to a container, you're going to put these babies in the refrigerator because they have to be cool. So put in the refrigerator for about, I would say 4-6 hours. I have a container that puts some hot water on it. No boiling, but just hot water from the faucet, because it's getting a little bit hard to get this tembleque flip, and that should loosen it up a little bit. Leave it there for a minute or two. Tembleque comes from the verb temblar, which is shaking. See how it's shaking this baby? So what you do now, final touch, optional. Now you put some of the ground cinnamon, just a little bit. Doesn't have to be perfect. See how beautiful? You can put a cinnamon on top. Add some more. Here you have it. That beautiful.